Hey everyone, Joe from the Commerce Hub product team here. And today I'm going to show you how you can sell products with a limited supply online using Commerce Hub and custom objects. This is applicable for a lot of different use cases, but for me, immediately I thought of events with a limited availability. And being based in the Miami area, I decided, okay, I'm going to imagine a scenario where I have 7 tickets to see Lionel Messi play with Inter Miami, and I'm going to sell them for 50 cents while supplies last. So to accomplish this, I essentially have 2 different custom built modules here. I'm going to show you that in a moment, but this here is a custom module. And then this here on the right-hand side is a custom module as well with a payment link inside of it. And then what I did is I went ahead and built a custom object. So I created a custom object called countdowns, and I have a property on that object called spots left, and it's just a number. And then I created a couple different modules, right? These are the modules that we just saw on the web page. We have this one here, which essentially embeds that payment link. And then I have this one here, which essentially says, if there are more than 0 spots left, it references that custom object, then we're going to show act now, only blank spots remain. And then it dynamically populates this number 7 here with the value of spots left on that custom object. And then for this payment link option here, when you embed a payment link, it's going to be inside of an iframe, so we can't go in there and adjust it directly, but we can easily just hide the iframe, right? And so what this says is, if it's greater than 0, if there's more than 0 spots left, we'll show that payment option. And if there's 0 spots left, we're just going to hide that payment option altogether. And so that is pretty much it on the CMS side of things. Now, what happens when somebody pays? We need to be able to subtract that number, right? And so to do that, I built out a payment-based workflow with the payment link source name essentially equal to the internal value of this payment link. And so what happens here is when a successful payment goes through, I actually forgot to put that filter in, but you would want to filter for status is successful, of course. Then we're going to have this custom code action run. And this is going to essentially get that custom object, that Inter Miami tickets record, and it's going to decrease the value of spots left by 1. And so if somebody pays here and the payment goes through, the next person to load the web page will see only 6 spots remain. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm not going to pay right now. You're going to have to take my word for it. But I will go over here to this custom object, and then I'm going to go down to spots left, and I'm going to make it 0. I'm going to hit save. Great. So we can see that. And it might take a moment here. This is a little imperfect. You're going to want to work with your developers to make sure that you're not caching like old versions of that property into this web page. But we should see pretty much instantaneously that this website is now no longer showing that payment option. And so it's pretty exciting stuff. I hope you all enjoyed it. And let me know if you have any questions. Always feel free to reach out to the commerce team. We're really happy to help. Thanks.
Bye-bye.